friends, a very good day to everyone. Today I have yet another DIY tool which I bought along with all the other DIY equipments that I have bought, and you can watch those videos of my unboxing of the Bosch cordless drill, the Black & Decker jigsaw, and the iBell orbiter sander. This is another DIY tool that I bought. It's the Stanley circular blade, model number SC6. So this came like this in this packaging in the original box, but unfortunately, maybe because of the rain, the box that I got was a little bit wet on one side. I hope the machines and the other accessories inside are not damaged. Before I open up the box, let me just walk you through around. So this is the Stanley model number SC16. It's powered by a 1600 watt motor. On the side, let's see what it says. It has a motor that runs at 5500 RPM. It holds blades up to 190 mm, and we have a couple of accessories that's inside, which we will open and see. On this side, a couple of information in different languages. It says powerful 1600 watt motor, cutting depth up to 65 mm to 90 degrees, 65 mm at 90 degrees, fast adjustment of the Babel shoe between 0 to 45 degrees, compact size and lightweight, and a couple of photos here. The actual price here mentioned here is 6,990, but I bought this for 4,998 rupees. This, when I originally looked at the shopping list in Amazon, it was priced for 5,600, but I don't know how, but within a few moments the price got reduced to 4,998, and I immediately ordered this. The rest of the other circular saws from either Bosch or Black & Decker or other brands were expensive than this, so I thought this would be the best bet. And I also saw a couple of online unboxing and reviews, and they were very good reviews for this circular saw. So let's open up the box and then see what all comes inside. First and foremost, we have the instruction manual along with the warranty card. As always, I would suggest you guys to go through the instruction and safety manual, because this tool are obviously very powerful with very sharp blades, and risk of getting injured are very high if you don't follow the safety instructions. Let me keep this aside and we pull this machine out. Inside there is the Allen key, and that's all. So I'll keep this box aside in the meantime. And I have the circular saw here. Let me remove it. It also came with a 7¼ inch blade, a 24 teeth blade. It's very heavy. I think it's made of carbide steel. It's made of carbide premium. I don't know, it's very good quality. And then we have the one more accessory here. Let's keep this box aside. So this is what came inside: blade, Allen key, and the circular saw. This came a little bent. I will have to, it's mainly because it came in the original packaging. There was no extra or outside packaging that Amazon did, so really sad about that. But coming to the circular saw, it's very heavy. I think it must weigh around 5 kilos. I think the heavier the machines are, specifically these powerful machines like circular saws, I think the better, because it shows that the build quality and the material used is of very good quality. So just walking through, we have the base plate, which we can adjust the depth of the blade in terms of how deep you want to cut the make the cut, and that can be, so once I fix the depth of what depth I need to cut, then I would adjust a switch here, and this fixtures the blade. And we also have a safety plate, or I don't know what that's called. This by default with the spring mechanism, it stays like this, and then when we cut, it moves back and opens up the blade for the cutting. Now the base plate can also be adjusted at different degrees, so it can be set from 0 to 45 degree angles, which is really nice. So you can make bevel cuts or make French slits out of this jigsaw blade. So let's adjust the blade and quickly do some cutting. Let me remove this safety rubber pad. On the blade you will see some arrows. This denotes at which side the blade will rotate. So this means the blade will rotate in this side and make the cut or the bottom of the wood that we are going to cut. So let's install this blade. Now there is another button here, so this is used to remove and install the blade. So I have to press this inside and use the Allen key to unscrew this. Let me also make this base plate a little easier for this is a screw, and this comes out like this. So it says here this side out, so I need to ensure this is facing out on the outside. When tightening up this screw, I also again need to ensure I press this inside, the one that is here. I need to press it inside and use the Allen key to tighten. So it's nice and tight now. Yeah, so that's basically how you fix the blade. Okay, so let's quickly make some cutting. Okay, before that, let me also talk about the features. So we have a grip here, which we can hold and then while pushing, and we have the trigger mechanism. There is no trigger locking mechanism that I see here, so you cannot lock the trigger. It just has to be managed by with a finger. And this guide ideally should sit in this manner, and I can then adjust the length, I can adjust the width of, so this is useful in case if I have a flat surface on one side and I want to align a specific width of the cut with that outside edge, then this is very helpful. I just need to ensure I adjust the width of the wood that I want to cut, and then angle this with the side edge and make a cut which will end up with a straight cut on both the sides and the width as per what I want to cut it for. Okay, so let's make some cuttings and I'll show you how this blade really works.